Hello everyone, welcome to Conceptual Learning. This is a dedicated section on scholarship opportunities in Europe. In my previous video, I discussed about Spanish government scholarship and I discussed about the requirements and mandatory documents for applying in Spanish government scholarships. One of the requirements was to convert your transcripts, bachelor's and master's into a Spanish grading system. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to do that. Okay? So what you have to do is that the Ministry of Education by Spanish government helps you to translate and to convert your bachelor's and master's transcript into a Spanish grading system. So basically what you have to do is that you have to go into this link, which I have already provided in the description. When you will click this link, you will be in this window and it will be in Spanish. So you have to convert into an English. After converting, you will see here citizen services. Just click citizen services here. And after citizen services, again, this is in Spanish, you have to convert into English here. So after converting, what you have to do is that you have to go to the electronic headquarters. Okay. After clicking the electronic headquarters, this section will open. And now convert again into an English. Okay, so because this website is in Spanish, so you have to be careful while choosing the options. Okay, so after converting into an English, search for procedures, go to the search for procedures here. And then, okay, so when you are here, then you have to write an equivalencia. Equivalencia in a Spanish word, which means to convert your transcripts into an equivalent Spanish grading system. So because this website is in Spanish, so you have to write the equivalencia, not an English equivalent, okay? So the score is like search, you have to search this. So after searching this equivalencia, you will find an option here, the second number option, equivalence of average grades from university studies carried out in foreign centers. Okay, so this website and this service is open throughout the year. You have to do whenever you want, okay? So we need to access this service. So click this access here. So once you click, you need to sign up. Okay, you need to create a profile by your personal details, your name, your passport number, your surname, your address, and so on. So I have already created, so I will go to the directly inside the page and I will show you how to convert your transcripts. So after logging in, I found my data when I was coming to Spain. I converted my bachelor's and master's transcripts into Spanish grading system. So the information is still there. So this is from bachelor's transcript. This is master's transcript. So I would like to show you how to do it. When you are doing first time, there will be add option. You click the add and clicking the subjects and personal information and so on. Okay, so after accessing into my bachelor's degree, this is my portal here, and section 1 is here is personal data. So in the personal data, it's your name, your surname, your passport, your address, your date of birth, and your email address. So you put all together in one section, section number 1. And section number 2, that is a degree information, which degree, which transcript you are converting into the Spanish grading system. Okay, so here is your title of degree, your level, that is graduate, your country of studies, university, institution, and year of start, year of completion, completed studies, qualification, and so on. So after completing this, you go to the section 3, that is classification course of studies. And the classification of the code, this is again in Spanish, so you have to convert into English, okay, because this whole website is in Spanish, so it's a problem here. But you have to convert and then it will be okay. So okay, so classification course for studies or qualification is what is that you are like your profession related, like engineering related professions, engineering and architectures, or another branch if you see in the pop-up menu. And then section 4 is grading scale of studies. What is the scale and to which you want to convert? There are some scales provided by the Ministry of Education. You have to select which scale fits better with your transcripts. Okay, because it's our forced CGPA, like from 1 to 4. So this is in Pakistan, it's like a scale number. This one, this is a D grade, this is a A grade, and you have to select this one. Okay. And then section 5 is subjects, credits, and equivalence. Okay, so this is basically what you have to do is that you have to manually put all the subjects here. Okay, these subjects, like it's written in Spanish language, so I would suggest you to convert this in Spanish language and then paste it here. It will be a very good transcript. And then it's automatically you have to put your numbers, okay, like your obtained marks and your grade, and then it will automatically calculate into the Spanish grading systems afterwards. Okay, so this is how I have put my all subjects in Spanish here. Okay, so this is a total, you have to put it manually, and this is how it is. Okay, so at the end it will calculate total credits. Okay, total credits attended. Okay, and then it's totally score, and then it's going to divide this for your CGPA in a Spanish grading system. After this, section 6 is like, uh, let me convert it to, okay, so this is the whole data of your transcript. Okay, let's convert into English and look at this. Average rating, average equivalent grade, number of subjects per credit, credits with grade, number of subjects, credits without equivalence, and qualification, sorry. And then this is how it was, number of credits passed, and this is all information. And section 7 is additional information. If you want to give any additional information, you can put it here. I have put my university website, but if you want any other particular information, you can put it here. Okay, and then section 8 is for what you are trying to do this. Have you got admission in any Spanish university or something? So you have to put information here. Okay, so in the section 9 here, so let's go to the section 9. So in the section 9, you have to, let me translate into English. And okay, so you have to add the document, like you have to upload the transcript which you are converting into a Spanish grading system. So you have to you have to upload the original transcript. Then you upload here because as a proof that you have a original transcript existing. Okay, so after uploading this, you will go to the last section, that is a print or finish. So once you will do this print and finish, so it's automatically calculating your transcript into a Spanish grading system. And okay, so this is ready to download. So you will download this. Okay, let me download it and let's see how it looks like in the download section. And okay, so yeah, here it is. Okay, so after downloading, so this is how your Spanish transcript looks like. Okay, so these are your subjects and these are your grades here. So, and the subjects are all in Spanish. Okay, so this is your transcript. So this is how you actually create your transcript, which is a non-Spanish into a Spanish grading system by this portal. And I hope that you learned in this video that how do you convert it. So this is very mandatory requirement for Spanish universities and Spanish government scholarship as well. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you learn and you know how to convert your transcript into Spanish now. Thanks.